What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're on the beautiful Lake DeSmet. And we're gonna paddleboard to an island we like to call Bird Island. It's it's that way, a really long ways, but we're gonna make it and we'll take you along on the venture. All right, guys, we're almost to the island. Got Tanner paddling. Landry a little bit behind us, but that's all right. We're almost to the island. Let me show you guys. We're right there. Look at all of these birds we've got going on here. But I mean, look at the view from this. It's so beautiful out. Just wow. And there go all our bird friends. Oh my gosh. We're gonna fix this sign for them guys. Just so people know. Do not disturb April 1st through June 10th. It is now August something, so we're good. Great work, Tanner. Alright.
Careful because you might get a lot of bird crap on you.
Yeah.
This is disgusting. Dude, I like some rattlesnakes up in here too.
Maybe, low key.
You don't got shoes?
No. Alright.
Bugs everywhere.
Oh, just about to slip, bro.
Cactus. Everywhere.
Yeah, Landry, I would maybe not come up. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's not like prickly or anything. Yeah, there are. Wow.
Yeah.
These are all their nests. That is crazy. Well, we made it to Bird Island. Now we're gonna head back to the beach.
Like 2 miles.
Another probably 2 miles for sure. But yeah, wow. So we are all the way back over there. Oh, guys, we're not even halfway there. The island's still right there. Dinner's still working. But I just want to come on and say, like, why look behind you when you got what's in front of you, you know? You don't let your past define your future, all right? You look ahead, you stay on the right track. You know, God's got a plan for you, and his plan is the plan. So just trust in God, trust in his plan, and your future is going to plan out like it should. All right, motivational speech type part 2 by Tanner.
All right, guys. Just want to come on here and say, you know, enjoy life. Don't look up what's in front of you. Go slow. Enjoy the present. And just live life, man. Have fun. Do what you want to do. Be smart. Be safe. But do what you want to do and have fun. That's all I got to say.
Amen. All right, guys. Thanks for coming on our adventure to the wonderful Bird Island in the middle of Lake DeSmet. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Peace.